Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to delete listings on Depop. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in depop.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Depop if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So at the top side of the screen we have the search bar where you can go and search for anything that you would like, of course. And in the top right corner, we have the sell now, we have the messages, likes, and of course your profile where you can go and check out all of these options here. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and delete a listing on Depop. First of all, open the Depop app and go to your profile by tapping the profile icon in the lower right corner. Or of course the website. Then select the listing you want to delete. So basically go to the top right corner, click on your profile, and here you'll have all your listings. So all selling, sold, likes, and saved, but here all you'll have them. If you of course have a listing, at the moment I don't have one, but be sure when you have a listing it will be here. Then of course choose the item, click on the choose the item, of course click on the three dots, click delete item from the of course menu, confirm the deletion when prompted. This will remove the listing from your profile. If you have any other questions, of course you can go and ask the support, of course, if you're having problems with this. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found everything this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.